Okay, so this is the 23rd. They were born on the 14th, so they're 9 days old today. Everybody's doing pretty well. I do have one little guy. He just is a runt. So that's this little toy here. So he comes in the house a couple times a day and I feed him a little bit. And he nurses by himself, so he doesn't have to share eight other little piggies. And everybody's doing great. We've got some great pigments. Really good pigment. We've got, gray ears. Two girls and 6 boys are available. There's my little one right there. And Darla's doing good. Toward the end of her pregnancy, she lost a lot of weight. She was so stuffed full of babies, she couldn't even eat. So she was getting a lot of raw, lots of ice cream. Good girl. Yes. But she's a great first-time mother. I'm really, really happy with how good of a mom she is. She keeps everybody really clean. She keeps her area clean. This is her litter box. And then once the whelping box goes away, the puppies will use this as a litter box. Really, really, really high quality show prospects, working prospects are expected. Both Solomon and Darla have really great personalities, strong, confident temperament, not afraid of anything. Both dogs are toy-driven, fetch, so have lots of high prey drive. They also have very good prey drive, especially Darla. See that little tiny one? Aww. That's it for today. Our H litter, Darla and Solomon.